This beautifully updated home offers the perfect blend of comfort, gorgeous sunset views, and timeless style in one of Lake Oswego's most desirable neighborhoods. It's ideally located just moments from mountain park trails, Westlake Park, fantastic schools, and everyday amenities. Inside, refinished hardwood floors and a striking reclaimed barnwood feature wall bring both character and comfort to the space. The kitchen has been thoughtfully updated, featuring quartzite countertops, high-end wolf and sub-zero appliances, a central island, and beautiful views, while the Trex balcony provides a perfect place to relax. You'll find a dedicated office with extensive built-ins. Unwind in the spacious primary suite, complete with a spa-inspired bath. And you'll find a convenient second bedroom on this main level. The lower level's oversized family room offers a true at-home theater experience. You'll find multiple flex spaces to fit your needs, plus 3 additional large bedrooms. From here, step outside to an expansive Trex deck with built-in seating, overlooking a lush and private backyard with raised garden beds. Ideal for outdoor living, entertaining, or simply enjoying the quiet surroundings. A rare opportunity to enjoy space, thoughtful updates, and a prime Lake Oswego location all in one exceptional home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.